What is going on, peeps, and welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually kind of just uploading every 6 days. It's kind of like a 6-day vlog upload. Well, I'm actually trying to just beat that. I'll try to beat that soon, and I'll try to upload a little bit more constant just as more parts come in. For today, we're just gonna install the hood lash, the OEM hood lash that I got. I'm gonna show you or give you a small review of the Speed Factory titanium bolts that I got. You can see the big difference that they look once you put them in the engine bay, how good they look compared to like the OEM ones. I'm a big fan of the OEM ones, but these just look pretty good. And other than that, I got Adrian here doing some painting on some of the Yoshida Factory temperature gauge that's going on the new car. Hopefully we'll have a review for that sometime soon in the channel. And that's about it. Just got the car here. We have this little rig here that we did just for like the sun or the rain or whatever for now until we get this side of the house worked on, because I'm actually now parking the car on the side of the house, which is a whole lot better with a whole lot more privacy. So yeah, enjoy the vlog, come along, and I'll see you guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so we basically took everything apart. The whole front bumper's off, the fender's off. And the reason I took the fender off is because we're gonna tuck this wiper motor wires. We're gonna run them through the hole that's there. It's gonna come out through here and it's gonna go up in there, and it's just gonna clear this up. Looks very nice. Yeah, that's about it. I'm actually getting the valve adjustment tool, so I started taking out the valve cover bolts. Took out the front bumper because Adrian is painting the grill. And it's coming out, I guess, very nice. And doing some little light painting, and that's it. We're gonna keep working on the car. Let's do it. Just finished depainting it right there. Ran it through here, ran it through the inside. I'll show you now, because we already did the cable. Since we did the cable for the hood lash, the new cable came with a new grommet. So we took the old grommet from the cable, cut it, and used it on the other side. And this is how it just looks. A little grommet there, it just looks perfect. Now we just gotta finish wiring that up. Basically just covering it up, putting this here and zip tying it to the wire. But yeah, it's gonna clear up a lot of wire from the inside, and that's just it looked ugly when it was in there. So I'll show you guys now how the end product is gonna look like. All right guys, so I received my feeler gauge for the valve, and I guess we're just gonna do a quick valve adjustment while we're doing everything here. Obviously this vlog is gonna be called just like, you know, detail is everything. I'm just pretty much detailing the whole car. We're still doing some of the wire harness, and yeah, just gonna keep going. And now I'm spinning the timing, which is right here. We're spinning that counterclockwise in order to put it TDC, top dead center, which is this one that we're gonna go with first, and then we're gonna go from there. Alright guys, the valves are adjusted. Been a long day working on the car, so we're having a little coffee right now. Adrian's having a little coffee. And yeah, that's about it. Cable's on. Everything else is back on. This is how it looked without the cable on it from the wipers. We just got to put the wiper back on, and that's about it. And yeah, that's about it for today. I also wanted to show you the titanium bolts from Speed Factory. I kind of put them on the fender here, and I put them here. I have to put them on the other side, but they just look really good compared to like the OEM one. And yep, that's about it. I got a little surprise what I'm gonna do to the OEM ones, but I'll see you guys on that one for the next vlog. So yeah, let's continue to put the car back together, and that's about it for today. All right, we're pretty much done. The bolts are already on here. Everything is already done. No cable there, as you can see. Everything's perfect, and we're just pretty much putting everything back on. Valve adjustment is done. We just gotta grab the hood, put it back on, and everything should be good to go. Look at the grill, just looks very, very nice. Eventually I want to get an SIR front bumper, and then I want to get the EDM front grill, which that should look really nice. And yeah, that's about it. So everything is pretty good and pretty neat. And I finally have a hood lash cable, which was broken and it was driving me crazy. That's it. Alright guys, we're done for today. We adjusted the valves. I'm all freaking dirty. The hood latch is already on. The wires for the wipers, it's already routed, as you guys can see. We kind of cleaned it up more, made it look better, and that's it. We painted the grill, which looked amazing. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know it wasn't the best vlog, but you know, little by little things are gonna get better. It's just kind of waiting on more parts and waiting to order more parts. But thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one, and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.